इस क्वेश्चन को पहले आपको ये समझना है कि इसमें पोजीशन दिया हुआ है आपको। आपने पहला क्वेश्चन सही निकाला, बिल्कुल सही है। हम एग्री कि आपने इसको डिफरेंशिएट करा होगा, ds बाई dt निकाला होगा आपने ऐसे करके। कितना है? 2t माइनस 4। So if I ask speed at t is equal to 0.5, then it is easy, like you have solved. It is minus 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here it is minus is not showing direction, first of all. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Second thing, like next, write down. Find the average speed between 0 and 3. Now see. At 0, where the particle is? Where is my particle at t is equal to 0? Let's look at
At 3 meter.
S will be 3. Here my particle
Yes,
is
sir.
at 3 meter from the horizon. It is here. Okay. Up to
Yes, sir.
this, any doubt? This t is equal to 0. Now what they are asking, like how much average speed particle is having between 0 and 3 seconds. Sorry. So you need to first of all check whether my particle is moving in the right direction always. In such question, all because it's a particle. It's not a rigid body. It's not a car, any machine rigid body. It's a particle. Okay. So once
Yes,
you
sir.
differentiate, you are getting 2t minus 4. You should check when the velocity of this particle is 0. So at t is equal to 2 seconds, this is 0. Alright.
Yes, sir.
So at t is equal to 2 seconds, it is 0. It means this 2 seconds is coming in my interval 0 to 3. So it is 0, then 2. At 2, where the particle is, just put the value, displacement, or we can say distance, how much it travel. For finding that, you need to find s at t is equal to 2 seconds. What is the position? 2 square minus 4 into 2, okay, plus 3. What is the answer? How much? Tell me.
Sir,
7 minus 8,
-1.
minus 1. It means it will be here. What is the position with respect to horizon? It is here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, have you noticed that if you notice carefully, initially at t is equal to 0, it is here.
Yes, sir.
Now it is here. At what time? T is equal to 2 seconds.
Hmm.
Clear? Now where this particle is at t is equal to 1 second, where this particle is? Just put the value
Sir,
of t is equal to
T,
1 here. What is the
yes, sir.
position?
Sir, 0.
0. 0 means at here. At horizon. Here. This
Yes,
is
sir.
P3. At which position, like it is t is equal to 1. Now you just think. Now my question is, at t is equal to 0, it is at 3 meter. Then at t is equal to 0, it is at horizon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, you will understand that the particle is moving like this, in this direction. Motion of the particle is in the left. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And at t is equal to 2 seconds, its velocity becomes 0. Once its velocity becomes 0, do you see it will move in this direction? Why this velocity is 0? Just think in your mind, why this velocity is 0? Somebody is
Sir,
applying force
because,
in this opposite
oh,
direction.
yes,
Deceleration
sir.
is there. So deceleration will be like this. Acceleration will be like this. Understood? So once the velocity becomes zero, because of this acceleration, it will move back. Like, understood?
Yes, sir.
T is equal to 0, it is here at P. T is equal to 1, it is here. At T is equal to 2, it is here. Now where it is T is equal to 3, just put as at T is equal to 3. You will get 3 is a 9, 9 minus 4 into 3. That is how much?
0. 0.
Tell me. 9 minus 4, 3 is a 12 plus 3. Comes out to be 0. Then again it will come back to origin.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Now if I ask you how much, what is the average speed, that is total distance by total time. Now how much? This is 1 meter. Okay. Is it 1
Yes,
meter
sir.
or what? How much?
Total distance.
Yes, total distance, how much? At t is
Sir,
equal to 0,
5
it is at
meter.
3. At t is equal to 3, it is at 0. Okay. Then how much is
Yes, sir.
travel? Total distance I'm asking,
5
not
meter.
displacement. Okay. This is 3 meter.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it
yes, sir.
travel 3 meter first. Then it travel 1 meter. Then again it travel 1 meter. Then total distance it travel is 5. In how much time? That is 3. This is the answer.
Okay,
So
sir.
to solve such question, always check at what point its velocity becomes 0. Always find where this particle is. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Second thing, like I just want to tell, later section I will teach you velocity. Clear? Now velocity
Yes,
will
sir.
indicate the direction of motion. How will you understand? Like now you are finding the position like this. But when you are at t is equal to 0, you are at t. That is 3 meter. At that point, if you find velocity, what is the velocity you are getting?
At t equals
That
to
is 2t
3.
minus 4. At t is equal to 0, you are getting velocity is negative. Okay. Negative velocity is
Yes, sir.
showing that you are moving the left. Understood? Velocity indicate the direction of motion. If you are moving the left, it means you are going like this, which I have shown here. Understood? So later I
Yes,
will
sir.
teach, but I am explaining like that, like because you don't know velocity. I am thinking like that. Understood? Clear? This
Yes,
question
sir.
is clear.
Yes, sir.
Alright. मजा आया पढ़ने में? कुछ नया सीखा?
Yes, sir.
लगा कुछ नया? बेटा
सर
हर चीज
मतलब पहले पढ़ा था लेकिन मैं भूल गई थी मतलब।
हाँ कोई नहीं बेटा, आपका रिवीजन हो गया। और ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन लगाते हैं। जेई विल नॉट आस्क यू डायरेक्ट, आपको फॉर्मूला लगाना है। वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम। नोबडी इज गोइंग टू आस्क, कोई नहीं पूछेगा बेटा आपसे ऐसे। डायरेक्ट हो सकता है एक दो क्वेश्चन पूछ ले, वो जितने भी क्वेश्चन देगा बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन होगा और उसमें आपको सोचना पड़ेगा। अब बताओ ये क्वेश्चन आप नॉर्मल बच्चे को पूछो तो वो जेई की तैयारी नहीं कर रहा, वो डायरेक्ट वही लगाता है, स्पीड इज इक्वल डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम डायरेक्ट लगाएगा। ठीक है, तो हमें हमेशा ही चेक करना है कि वेलोसिटी जीरो कब होगी, हमेशा ये फाइंड करना है। ठीक है बेटा, तो मैं ये स्टॉप
यस
करता
सर।
हूँ। आगे हम लोग और भी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। क्लियर? आप
यस सर।
और मैं आगे वेलोसिटी स्टड डिस्कस करूंगा, देन एक्सेलरेशन, फिर हम लोग प्रोजेक्टाइल, ये सब बहुत सारा कुछ पढ़ेंगे आगे चल के। और देन वी विल स्टार्ट न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन। ओके बेटा,
यस सर।
थैंक यू सो
सर
मच, हैव अ गुड डे।
सर वन क्वेश्चन वाज देयर कि